Hello kids, today we will introduce our chapter 4 and that is about parts of our body. So today we are going to learn about our body and our body parts. So just look at your body. Can you tell me how many body parts you have? Can you name them? I'll show you a picture. You can see so many body parts here, right? Eyebrow, nose, face, cheek, lip, chin, chest, stomach, leg, toe, foot, so many, like front, back, so many pictures, so many names are there. We'll say one more. Okay, this is a hand and we are doing something with it. We are writing with it. We are making something with it. So see, our body parts have a functionality. Even each and every part of our body has some or other kind of a function. You have to see through your eyes, you have to write with your hands, you have to eat your food by your hands, you have legs to walk, you have legs to jump, right? You have hand and with the how many fingers? 5 fingers. See, so many things are there in your body. You have body parts like head, shoulder, arm, neck, foot, yeah? So we love our body and we have so many activities also to be done, and you all do your projects and everything also with your hand, right? You have to cut the paper, you have to draw the pictures, so many things are to be done in these things. Like your body parts have so many functional things. So let's move to the functions. Now first thing which we are going to learn about is sense organs. So our body, whatever is the part of our body, like its hand, its leg, it's your eyes, anything that has some or the other kind of function. So for the functionality we have 5 senses, and sense means what? We have some of the other functions from these senses. So what are these 5 senses? We have a sense of sight, we have a sense of sound, we have a sense of smell, we have a sense of taste, we have a sense of touch, right? So we have 5 senses, right? So therefore by eyes we can see, by ears we can hear, by nose we can smell, by tongue we can taste, by hand we can touch or feel the thing. So therefore these are the 5 sense organs which are very important, and therefore your body also should have some good habits and also should have some good manners, right? So therefore I'll tell you about some good habits and good manners also in this. So your body is there, right? So you have to give some exercise or some thing to your body, like always you have to wake up early in the morning, always brush your teeth daily, share your things with your siblings. So these are the good manners, good things, good habits which has to be there. So I have written some of the good habits over here. Good manners are there, like say please, say thank you. So this is the different thing, but still when something is related to your body, you have to follow some habits, you have to make your body into those things, then only that your habit will get into yourself, and then you have to apply into it. So this was the thing which I have to tell you about your body. Let's move back to our body parts, that is your hand, your eyes, your ears, your neck, your arm, your elbow. So many body parts are there, right? So therefore you can see that your hair is there. So your hair has a growth functionality. Even if you have like you have your mini tiny tots hands, so they will also grow in some when you grow older. So see, your body has a functionality and also your body has a growth. So these are the different things, but today in this chapter we only will learn about the parts, the functionality, the things which is very in deep manner, that will move into the next class. So this much is only there for you. The parts, body parts are very important. So I want you all to learn all these body parts, and then whenever I ask you, whenever your teacher, your mother, your father, anyone you ask you that which body part names, what you have to tell about that, right? So I want this picture by you to be learnt very nicely, which is the arm, which is neck, which is shoulder, which is back. Everything has to be learned by you. So you will learn it, right? So let's get started for learning, and we'll see which body parts are there, and afterwards, after looking this, you have to tell me each and every body part name, or you can share the things with your parents, with anyone whom you want to share. So we can see so many things. We have heels, we have shoulder, we have hair, we have head, forehead, small things are also there, nose. What all your face includes? Face includes your nose, cheek, lip, eyebrow, forehead, ear, eye, tooth, mouth. Yeah, okay. What all your leg includes? Your leg includes your toe, your knee, your foot. What all your arm includes? Your neck, your elbow, your hand, and then what all your back includes? It includes shoulder, it includes waist. So these are the parts of our body which has to be learned by you. Afterwards, in the next class, in your next standard, we will learn about the functionality of your body, but for that you have to learn about body parts first. So I hope you must have gone through these parts, and also you must have gone through these senses which has to be there. So we'll revise once more that there are 5 senses. One is sense of sight, by which we can see, that is eyes. Sense of taste, that is by your mouth or your tongue, by which we can taste something. Sense of touch, that is skin, by the meaning we can see have a sensitivity of having a touch, like you can feel. Sense of sound, that you can hear something, that is by your ear. And sense of smell, something good cooking in the kitchen, you can smell it by your nose. So therefore sense of smell by your nose. So these were the things which were very important for you to have, and you have to learn all those things. Therefore I hope you must have understood all those topics, all these topics. So let's just grasp one thing in this, that we have major body parts, we have different kinds of body parts, we have functionality in the body parts, we have a growth in the body parts, and also we have 5 senses in the body parts. So therefore here I conclude with the chapter, and therefore now we'll move on to the next, and here I finish with this chapter number 4, our body parts.